Let's say you have a WordPress website and you want to add a shop to the website. You have gone ahead to install and activated WooCommerce plugin, but all pages related to WooCommerce were not created. How do you fix this? In this video, we are going to look at the 5 main WooCommerce pages and how we can create them. We will create these 5 pages: the shop page, the cart page, the checkout page, my account page, and other tracking page. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. But before we proceed with this video, what if I say that there is a way for you to earn up to $72 for each $1 spent? Well, this is possible with Omnisend, a popular and powerful email and SMS platform built for e-commerce brands. Send emails, SMS, and push notifications all from one workflow. And you can even automate the entire process so messages continue to get sent even when you are doing other tasks. More than 100,000 businesses already use Omnisend to grow, and you should too. The award-winning customer support is available 24/7 on every plan and is ready to set you up for success. So try it out yourself. Just click the link in the description down below to sign up for free. Alright guys, so this is my website over here. Now I want to add a shop to the website, okay? And I've installed WooCommerce. So if I go to the dashboard over here, you can see that WooCommerce is installed over here, okay? I have WooCommerce installed. But if I go to my pages over here and I click on all pages, you realize that I do not have any of the WooCommerce pages over there apart from this one over here, which comes pre-installed, okay? Over here, all the other ones are not here and I don't know why. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to get all the pages done. Now, as you can see, I have the home page, about page, all those pages over here, but the shop page, the cart page, and all other pages are not really here. Now guys, I have gone ahead to add products to my website. So as you can see, there are products over here, okay? But my shop page is not, available for me to open. So I want to, start creating all those pages for you guys to see how it is done if this thing happens to you. Now you're gonna go to pages over here and then click on add new page. So we're gonna create 5 pages. Okay, we're gonna create 5 pages. We're gonna create the shop page first. We're gonna create the other 4 pages, which is the cart page, the checkout page, my account page, and then the other tracking page. So over here we're just going to name the page as shop. Okay, so just like that, shop. And I'm going to just click on publish over here. So this is my shop page, it is published. But if I click over here to view the shop page over here, you realize that I wouldn't be able to see any okay, so guys, as you can see, this is the shop page over here. Okay, at the moment I created the page, it is a shop page. Now if you view the page and then there's nothing over here, now what you need to do is you have to just go to WooCommerce over here and then go to the settings of the WooCommerce of WooCommerce. Just go to settings of WooCommerce and then go to product over here. Okay, so just go to product and then you have to select the shop page. Okay, so over here you realize that there is no page over here, so just select the shop page as your page. Okay, so I'm going to just select the shop over here and that is it. That is all. Okay, all the product that you create will come to this page and then click on save changes. So I don't know why automatically it's changed to shop, because it feel like this is the shop. Okay, and that is it. So basically that is it. So you've done what? We've created the shop page. Now the next page that we are going to create is the cart page. Okay, now this page uses short codes. Okay, so we're going to use the WooCommerce short codes to be able to create that page. So we're going to go to pages over here and then we will click on add new and then we're going to name the page cart. Okay, so I'm just going to name the page cart and then if I publish this page right now and then I go ahead to view the page, now this is the page. Okay, there is nothing. It's not like the shop page that will automatically pick and all those kind of stuff. This page doesn't have anything in it, so it doesn't see it to be what? To be the cart page. Now go to go to the link in the description that I've given you over there and then you're going to land on this this page. Okay, this is the WooCommerce shortcode page. Okay, now over here scroll down, just scroll down, you're going to see that there are some shortcodes over here that you can use. Okay, so if you want to use the cart, you want to create the cart page, you just copy this code, okay, and that is it. And if to make it a short code, make sure that you put this bracket over here, okay. So make sure that you have this kind of like a bracket over, you know, just cover the code, okay, to make it a short code. So just copy this one. So we're going to copy this one over here, and then we're going to come over here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to paste it into our page. We're going to paste it into our page, but before we can paste it, just click on this plus icon over here, and then just search for short code, okay. So we're going to you know, take the short code widget over here, and then we paste the code in it, and then we're going to click on update over here. Okay, so now that we have we have updated it, now let's go back to the cart page and refresh it and see if you know, the cart is done. So as you can see, this is our cart. So I have something in the cart over here, but if I close this one, or you know, remove the thing that is in the cart, you're gonna see that there is going to be an empty cart. Now forget about this one over here. Now I'm using a transparent header, so most of the things wouldn't come, okay. So now what I will do is I'll just come back over here and then go to you know, my page setting over here, and then I will disable the transparent header over here, okay, and then I'll enable page title, and then I think that is all. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll and then enable padding also, and then click on update, okay. So if I come over here and then refresh this page, it should take a new look. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Now guys, I'm using the Cadence theme, so for those of you who knows the you know, how to use the Cadence theme, this is how you go about it. So as you can see, I have my you know, my cart page beautifully done over here. Now let's go back over here, and then I'm going to go to create another page. So I'm going to click on this one, and then this time around I'm going to create the, you know, from cart you go to checkout. So I'm going to create the checkout page. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to call the page checkout. Okay, so I'm going to call this page checkout. I want the O to be, yes, checkout, like this. And then over here also, I'm going to go to the link that I've given it to you in the description over here, and then scroll, and then you see there is a checkout you know, short code over here. I'm just going to copy this short code, and then I'm going to come over here and then click on this one, and then locate the short code widget, and then paste this one in it. So I'm going to paste the short code in the short code widget, and then publish this one also. So if I want to go to the you know, the cart the checkout page, I need to add something to the cart, okay. So I'm just going to go to my shop, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add something to the cart. So I'm going to add this one to it, and then I'll go ahead and view cart, and as you can see, because we haven't set up the cart page yet, it is not seeing the cart page over here, but we will fix it, okay. We will fix it. So what we're going to do is just let's go to you know, our website over here, and then to fix it, let me just fix it, okay. So I'm going to go to WooCommerce over here, and then go to settings over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to advanced over here. So I'm going to go to advanced, and as you can see, these are the pages over here. So you need to set your cart page, you need to set your checkout page, my account page, terms and conditions page. Now of course, these three things are the ones really needed, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to locate the cart, and then, you know, just set it up, and then the checkout also, I have created it. So I'm going to just locate where the checkout is, and then, you know, just pick it. So this one is the checkout, and then later on when I create my account, I'm going to I'm going to fix it over there. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my shop page again, and then what I'm going to do is just, you know, just go ahead, and then let me just view the cart page, okay. So let's say I'm going to go back over here, and then I'm going to add something to the cart again. So I'm going to add this one also to the cart, and I'm going to go view cart, and as you can see, I can now view the cart page, okay. So this is how the cart page looks like, and then I can go ahead to click on proceed to checkout. Now guys, as you can see, this is our checkout page also, okay. So now let's go to the, you know, the pages, and then go to the checkout, and then also edit or style it so that it will be it will be nice for us, okay. So I'm going to go back over here to the pages. I'm going to pick the checkout page, go to edit, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight ahead and then go to my page settings over here, and then I'm going to disable transparent header. I'm going to enable page title, and then you know, to make it very nicely, I'm going to use either the normal or the narrow, which one you want it. and then I'll box it. Okay, so I just want to box it, and then I'll enable vertical padding. Okay, I'll enable it, and then I'm going to click on update over here. So if I go over here and then refresh the checkout page, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so as you can see, it looks very nicely designed, more than the first one. Okay, and that is it. So now that we have this one done, now our next page that we need to also set it up or create is the my account page. So we're going to go to add new page over here and then create the my account page. All right, so I'm going to just type in my account over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to shortcodes, the WooCommerce shortcode, and then scroll over here, and as you can see, this is the my account shortcode, and this particular shortcode over here, we're going to copy this one, or you can go ahead and then copy this one over here. Okay, whatever way, is still the same. Okay, so just copy this one, copy it, and then we come to the page and then we look for shortcode. Okay, so search for shortcode. Okay, just search for shortcode, and then what we're going to do is we want to use the bracket. Okay, so we're going to use this kind of bracket to represent the shortcode, this kind of bracket to represent the shortcode, and then we're going to let me just edit the page first. I'm going to go to page settings, disable transparent header, enable page title, and then I'm going to just go over here, make it box, enable vertical padding, and then I will click on publish to publish the page. Okay, so now that I have it, now if I go over here and then I want to view the account page, this is how it's going to represent for us. So as you can see, the account page is created. Okay, so if you want this one to be on your left side, of course, those of you who knows how to use Kaden, you go to customize, you go to account, WooCommerce account, and then you can be able to customize it that way. But then this is the account page that we created. Now we have created the shop page, the cart page, the checkout page, my account page. Now the last page that we want to create is the order tracking page. Okay, so of course, if you are selling things on your website, then physical products, for instance, then you need to give a way for people to be able to track their product. Okay, so we're going to click on add new over here. We click on add new to create the order tracking page, and then what we're going to do is we're going to say order tracking. Okay, so now we'll just click on this one, locate shortcode, go to the shortcodes over here, and then just copy this order tracking shortcode over here, and then come over here and then paste it over here. So now we have order tracking shortcode over here. Now I'm going to just do the settings for the page. So I'm going to disable, enable normal over here, or I can even give it a narrow if I want. Let me just give it a narrow over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a box, enable padding over here, and then publish it. All right, so guys, if you go to the page, we can be able to view our order tracking page, very nicely designed for us. So as you can see, this is our order tracking page. You can track your order by email or by order ID. Okay, and that is it. So now if you go back over here, and one thing we need to do is make sure you go to WooCommerce settings over here, and then make sure you set all the pages where they are supposed to be. Okay, so go to advanced, and then my account page, make sure that you set it up to account. So this is my account page, and then if you have terms and conditions page, you set it up also over here. Okay, since we don't have it, we're gonna leave it as it is, and then all these ones are just endpoint. Okay, so we're not going to use them. Okay, so basically that is it. So make sure that you go ahead and then click on save changes over here, and then we are good to go. So now we have all our shop pages. Now if you want it to appear over here, now all what you need to do is go back over here, go to your appearance over here, and then go to menus over here, and then make sure that you add the menus to your your other menus that you have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the shop page, and then I'm also going to add my account page over here to my menu. Okay, and then I will just rearrange it anyhow I want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and then place the shop over here, and then also my account, I want it to be here, and then I'm going to click on save changes. So if I go back to my website and refresh the website, you're gonna see that we have our shop page over here, and then we have my account page also over here. And guys, that is it. That is how you can be able to create WooCommerce pages for your WooCommerce website, so that you can be able to have a seamless flow for your WooCommerce product and shop page. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together. We are almost there, 10,000 subscribers. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.